Hey honeycrunchers, it's Jham and welcome to honeycrunch321. My inspiration for today's video is the Umbrella Academy's poster. So I am starting off with a white base color. Then to achieve the equally gapped vertical lines just like on the poster, I'll be stamping this design. Then after that, I'll be painting over some parts of it to have the bottom part uneven. I'm using white acrylic paint and a liner brush to cover up the bottom parts of each lines. You may have to apply 2 to 3 coats of it to make the covered part even with the white base. But see to it that you let the layer of paint dry before applying another. I'm going to do this design for the rest of my nails except for my ring nail. Now let's proceed with my ring nail. I'll be painting a black umbrella. After all of that, apply top coat. If you enjoyed today's video, never forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to watch more of my videos in the future. And kindly share this video to your awesome friends. In case you're wondering, I'm on Instagram too. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!